Hello and welcome everyone to new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video I will show you how to avoid ferries on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps and open the app. After that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. Click on settings, click on navigation, and scroll down until you find an option called avoid ferries. You have just to activate it like this. And like that, you will avoid ferries while you are going to your destination. I hope that you like this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section and see you in the next video.